Greetings everyone. Today we, the students of PM Shri Jawaharlal Navodiya Vidyalaya of King Invincible, are here to praise our project Waxform versus Polythene, a better for planet Earth. In this project we have used Waxform, which are tiny creatures which are capable of decomposing polythene. I am Vaishnavi.
I am Nash. I'm Syed.
I am Rishita. Here we are going to combat plastic pollution.
So now let's have a glance on our whole project through this chart. So first of all, getting towards the problem is plastic pollution that have existing solutions such as landfilling, microwave-induced treatment, recycling, incineration, etc. But the side effect it causes, highly expensive, approx 70 to 80 lakh per state, release toxic gases, leads to asthma, pulmonary cancer and cardiovascular diseases, etc.
But I have a solution to stop pollution, a quick plan.
So first of all, let's have a look about the creature we are using, that is Waxform. Waxform, scientifically called Galerilia manulana, they are commonly found in the beehives and maximum in the hilly regions. And do you know why they decompose plastic? Because according to a theory, the chemical composition of plastic and beehive is same. Both are made up of long chain of carbon.
What they give to us.
So I have experimented this project in my home about 3 to 4 times in the last 3 years, and what I observe is decomposed polythene. You can see the visible hole in the polythene that was fed to the Waxforms and the black frass. The frass excrete a byproduct, and according to me we can use this black frass in many ways. If we study about this, then we can use this to extract ethylene glycol when dissolved with an organic solvent. We also get a white thread, and it can be used as an artificial silk if processed in industries.
Upgradation in plan.
So this was that how we manually observe the process, that how Waxform decompose the plastic. In a box, we just let the Waxforms to feed on plastic, and in a span of 5 to 7 days, it decompose the plastic with visible holes. But if we talk about upgradation in the plan, then I have thought to use Arduino Uno, load cell, DHT11 sensor, LEDs, resistors, jumper wires, power supply and MQ gas sensor to just know about that what the process is going on, what type of gases are released by Waxforms, in what time span they are reducing what amount of plastic, and about the other byproducts that we can get. So what we experimented is, this is the beehive in the bee wax, which is usually fed to Waxforms. But now the problem is that many of us think that how a worm that usually used to live fed on wax can feed on plastic. Is it really possible? So yes, the answer is yes, because I have tried this and it's possible to feed a worm, a living creature, on polythene. So if we talk about the future goals of our project, then they are,
we have a major goal, enzyme characterization.
So usually the process of feeding polythene to Waxform, it's a slow process. So what about if we just create the enzyme in labs? So to further study about the enzyme present in Waxforms and to try make them artificially, also seeing possibilities about genetic modification. What if we produce these enzymes that are responsible for plastic decomposition, we produce these enzymes in labs? It would be easy to carry the process on a large scale.
Next we have byproducts exploration.
So exploring the byproducts like the frass, the thread-like structure, to know about that what benefit it is giving us to the industrial sector, and definitely it will help to boost up the economy of a country.
Next we have large-scale experimentation.
So like I have tried to experiment at my home at a small level. So what if we tried it at a large scale by collaborating with industries, administration and various education institutes.
Next we have research paper publication.
To prepare and submit my findings in research paper after rigorous corrections in JEE, Journal of Emerging Investigators, the Concord Review and Young Scientist Journal, what if the whole world get to know about what my findings are? I want to get my knowledge over the whole world, that what I have done and what I am thinking that I can do in the future regarding this project.
Next we have collaboration with institutes.
To create an interdisciplinary sphere for better results. This project not only includes biology or chemistry, but it's an interdisciplinary project including all the spheres. It brings administration, academic institutes, schools, students, researchers, everyone together. So it's our duty to just overcome the problem of plastic pollution and to look on this project, Waxform versus Polythene, a better for planet, that how we can overcome this problem of plastic pollution using a small creature, Waxform. So this was all about our project. Thank you and have a nice day.